What can Linux do for you? This is a 64-bit Mint distribution, and let us look at it. We're playing Doom. We are ripping a Blu-ray. And we're surfing the internet at the same time. So yes, Linux is free and can do a lot of work for you. It's a good replacement for Windows and OS 10.